name's Paige Mask. My business is located in Barry's Bay, and it's an aesthetics studio, so it's called Paige Micalea Esthetics. So it's an aesthetics studio, so I do a whole bunch of aesthetics services. I do waxing and nails and stuff like that. I chose it because I've always loved the beauty industry. I loved skincare and doing my nails all the time, so I went to school for it. And so I thought this was a really good opportunity to kind of put my skills to practice. So the summer company funded by the government of Ontario is a really great program. It allows you to kind of create your own business, and I really like that aspect of it. You can kind of choose your own path and build your own business, so I'm really proud of what I've built here.
Hi, my name is Nathan Boor. I'm located in Deep River, Ontario, and my business name is NB Computers. So my company is computer repair and custom designed and built computers. So ever since I built my first computer back a couple years ago, I fell in love with computers and have developed a real passion for the guts and the insides and building and repairing them.
My name is Daniel Fritzsche. My business is located in Deep River, Ontario, and my business name is Photoprints. In my company, I do photography, I make 3D printed lithophanes, and I can also do 3D design work. I chose this because I'm interested in all three of these fields. I learned that sitting around and wasting time does not make you money. You are responsible for every dollar that you make, which can be scary because it's not a very stable income. But it can be rewarding knowing that you earned every dollar that you made through your business.
And I own Valley Tech Repair on 664 Rice Line, Douglas, Ontario. The most rewarding thing I learned about the summer company program, a program of the government of Ontario, is having the experience of owning a business. The most valuable lesson I learned is probably having to keep your responsibilities all together.
My name is Corbin Brydges. My location is 5141 Loggers Way, and my business name is Corbin's Firewood. The main rewarding thing in this program was the $1,500 to help me boost and start my business. I would recommend the summer company program, the program of the government of Ontario, to other students because I think it is a great learning experience on how to run your own business.
Hi, I'm Sam Kuehl. I'm located in Goleta, Ontario, and I run my company Sharn Craftworks. I run a CNC machine and make signs in 3D release and images with wood, and I chose this job because I enjoy working with wood and seeing images and artwork created. I would recommend the Summer Company program, a program of the Government of Ontario, because it offered great fun and life experience to young entrepreneurs who want to get out there and do their own thing and make a name for themselves.